Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So previously I made a video on how to make a simple neural network, but I made two big mistakes. First, the training dataset CSV. If you look at the dataset, previously it was cats followed by dogs in a sequential manner, which shouldn't be the case. It should be randomized so that the neural network can learn better and generalize better. Secondly, for the batch size, I used 2 with epochs of 10. So it's always better to use a larger value. So in this case, I use 10. So if I use lower batches of let's say 2 or 3, what will happen is the batch gradient would be noisy. So this would mean the network will take a longer time or longer epochs to learn. So if I have 10, it will be able to have lesser noise in the gradient, and the loss would reduce faster. So you can see here now I have a validation accuracy of 0.59 and training accuracy of 0.87. Previously my validation accuracy was 0.5 and my training accuracy was 0.49. Yeah, so thank you, and hope you guys don't make any of these mistakes. This can absolutely affect the training of your model. Thank you.